Sensational all season. Oh, Kelly already right around the outside, moves up, but a big move there by Hassel as well. So it's Blatch and Hassel. Kurt Wilson in third and Nadine Mitchell's car. To go through on the inside of Sparks and does move up. Up in Hatcher's race by the looks of it. Hassel in second place. Blatch not worrying about going through the front of the side. Takes the win for the month. Wilson jumps out to a handy lead. Wow, and wasting no time at all there. And we've got a false start by the look of it. Wilson though, Kurt Wilson. Big move around the outside. Swiftly into stride there in second place. 0-7 of the Kelly. We got a problem. Wait, wing. Darren Baldwin and Aaron Kelly. The youngster absolutely going for it out there. We got a problem. Kurt Wilson across the infield. Here's the battle of the lead and the series leader takes over the lead. Aaron Kelly takes over from Darren Baldwin. Oh, Kelly, big moment down the bottom. Big moment. That car went absolutely airborne. He had problems big time out there for the 0-7 car. Michael Gollinger. And further back the 85, Jason Ryan, the 85 car. Tyler Strano with the 51 Blatch, 1 and 2. Checkered flag, Tyler is going to go to the 78 and Jeremy Haslam. 77 to Keith Blatch. BKTrading.com.au. Oh, what a huge incident in the main straight before they even got to the line. Out. And green light on, away we go. Kurt Wilson roars away from the outside, getting very, very slow start into Jason Ray on the inside, getting swamped now by other competitors. Aaron Kelly up to trot, trying to work his way through on the inside. That's number 4, further back is rolling. We got the action red hot. At the moment, these guys are going for a championship tonight, of course, as you know. It's lucky indeed. Aaron Kelly with problems once again. Second heat in the row, unfortunately, that 7 car has given problems. Thankfully, as I say, a wobbly big time indeed. But at the moment, Kurt Wilson gets away to a handy lead. Oh, we got Blatch trying to go through on the inside of Baldwin. Jason Ray, Blatch right there as well. Ray seems to have a little bit more power. Kurt Wilson just rocketing away with this one right around the outside of Scotty Dukes, who goes to the infield and stays out of harm's way. Whoops, amazing. Wilson got all sorts of problems coming out of 4. Gave himself a Van Blatt still trying to be outside pass on Jason Ray and should be able to affect it now. He does so. Ray trying to fight back in the meantime. Kurt Wilson takes the win in heat number 3 for the Locals lead. Baldwin gets a jump early. Aaron getting into it. Have a look at him right around the outside. I tell you what, it might be a strange car, but he's already up into 5th spot. He's going to give this a good all over the back of Jeremy Hassel he is. Trying inside outside and has a go at him. Oh, will not be denied there. Side by side action up in a 4th spot. In the 15 lap affair, he's staying out wide. He's that makes it very, very interesting indeed here now. Red hot go. Blatch doing everything he can. The Queensland champion and Aaron once again trying the outside run. break early on, coming out of Kelly. Oh, in danger of getting past here now by Kurt Wilson, who's coming on strongly. Wilson tries an inside run. Kelly covers his back. Oh, Wilson goes around. Kurt Wilson. It's Clatch. From Kelly and Hassel. Jeremy Hassel, 1, 2, 3 on track at the moment. White flag out. We've got green, we've got the white. Kurt Wilson, 34 up there too is Scotty Dukes, but the Queensland champ is going to come around and take the A main tonight. In second place, Aaron Kelly in the